So welcome to today's video. I'm going to be giving you guys a full tour of Rove Marina. I've previously made a video on Rove, which is downtown near the Burj Khalifa. So this one is Rove Marina. Now the hotel does have a car park, so I parked my rental there and here we are in the lobby. The check-in process was really easy, the staff were all very friendly, and even though I arrived about 2 hours earlier than my check-in time, I was still given a room. So my room was on the 12th floor. Let's go inside and check out my room. So the design of this room is similar to the Rove downtown. In fact, I think this one is slightly dated in comparison, but overall it's a very clean room. I think the decoration is simple, but considering it's a 3-star hotel, I would say it's quite decent. We have all the usual amenities. We've got a hairdryer there. You can't take that hairdryer out, it's actually plugged in within that drawer. Over here we have like an armchair, we have a telephone on the bedside table. They've provided a book which is the meanings of the Quran in English. There are USB sockets on the wall, there are plug sockets which have adapters so you don't need a travel adapter, and this is the view from the room. Definitely the best thing is the view from the room, especially at night time. I included a clip later on in the video just to show you how nice it looks at night time. In fact, I'm going to put that clip in right now. Alright, moving on to the rest of the room. Over here we have like a wardrobe space. So we've got hangers, we've got space for your suitcase, and there's some drawers there as well. They have provided 2 slippers. Over here we have the bathroom. So the bathroom is spacious, the shower area is also spacious, and they've provided shampoo and body wash. In terms of the breakfast, you can have a set menu or you could have a buffet. So this is the area where breakfast is served, and here is everything that's available for the buffet. So for lunch and dinner, the Daily, which is the restaurant, serve food as well. So here is the menu, which has everything that's available for lunch and dinner. Just next to the restaurant, the Daily, there is this kind of co-working space, which is a very pleasant place to work. There's also a small seating area outside. They have a really cool clock which you need to check out. But this whole area here has a very nice vibe. A lot of people are on their laptops having meetings, and it's a really nice place to kind of work. They also provide free coffee and free karak tea, and also they have dates available too. Just next to this co-working space we have a small shop called Choithrams, which have very basic essentials. It's a very small shop, so only key things are sold here. The price is slightly marked up, which is what you would expect in a very small convenience store like this, so bear that in mind. But for your convenience, this is just next to that co-working space and just next to the lobby. Now let's move on to one of the floors where there's a lot more going on. So over here we have like a meeting area. There's a small area where you can play on the PlayStation 5, and just here is also a gym. If we walk further ahead and outside, we have a small pool. There are plenty of sun loungers around this pool. If we walk back inside and walk further along the corridor, there are a variety of meeting rooms. And we also have a gym as well, which we just walked past. So here is everything that's available in the gym. On one side we have cardio machines like a rower machine, we have 3 treadmills, we have a cross trainer, an exercise bike, and then over on this side we have more of the weighted machines, and we also have plenty of free weights as well. The good thing about these machines is you can use them unilaterally, so you can just use a single arm if you wanted to kind of isolate your muscles. So that's very nice if you have any muscle imbalances, and I generally feel you can get a nicer contraction when using these kinds of machines. On the floor below this one there is a small prayer room, so we have an area where you can wash, and then this is the main prayer room. And just next to the prayer room there is a laundrette. So here you can wash your clothes, you can hang them out to dry, there is a dryer there too, and there's also ironing boards as well. So this is pretty much everything that this hotel has to offer. So while I was staying here there was a little bit of an issue with the lift. It just randomly stopped working and we were stuck there for about half an hour. It wasn't just me, it was quite a few other people. The staff did keep us informed as to how long we would be waiting, and they did offer some free drinks vouchers. So that was very nice of them. They handled that very well in my opinion. And the last thing I'll point out is that the hotel does have some self-service parking, so it's over 3 floors and there's plenty of parking spaces. So that's everything for this hotel review. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.